Bro,
Brunch.
what is called brunch?
जो brunch ਤੇ lunch ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾਣਾ ਹੋ।
He has done the mistake. He has told me to do 24-hour English speaking challenge and he is speaking Punjabi.
Oh, you have not told me we are doing from now.
This is the. So welcome back to the channel, guys. I
Oh.
hope you all are good
And safe.
and doing well in your life.
Today we are doing 24 hours speaking English challenge.
So let's see who
Will win and
who will do many mistakes and who will do less mistakes. Wow.
any punishment for that or simple?
No, simple. It's simple challenge. And I have done my brunch and I am going to do my work now. From 9 p.m. to 12. From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m.
No,
I was.
he has
I
spoken
was-
one that is called no in he has spoken Punjabi.
No.
तू क्या नहीं?
Oh, you also spoke now.
I-
No. You also spoke now. It's your fault. First mistake. 1 point.
I am eating now.
No.
It will start from 5 minutes.
No. So from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. I was giving my paper. Today was my first pre-board exam and it gone well because online it was. So let's go and do our work, editing work. Let's.
So guys, now it's 2 p.m. and let's let's see what brother is doing. Let's go. What are you doing, bro?
I am doing my father's video, bro. You know that.
No, I don't know.
You don't know. I am doing from 1 p.m.
What you
It's
have
about 2
you-
now.
what you have eaten lunch today?
I have not eaten lunch. I have drank the tea. Okay, sir.
What you drank?
Tea.
Tea?
In Punjabi, that is called cha.
One more mistake. It's two.
I am telling
No,
that.
no.
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਯਾਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਰੱਖ
Say
ਲੈ.
the challenge was only speaking English.
I am telling to my audience. Not
No,
you.
no. They can understand.
No,
they can
can't.
understand.
They can't.
You done 2 points.
You
My
bloody-
one.
Oh,
I will win. I will win.
no, you will get lose.
I will win.
You
Your
will
2
lose.
points. My one.
Whoa.
ਝੂਟਿਆ ਪਾਉਂਗਾ
ਆਦੇ
ਕੱਟੇ
Now I have done my work and I am going to sleep. Mankira is saying you also sleep.
Why are you telling me? I also know we are both are sleeping.
But you are using phone. You have
I am now sleeping. Going to sleep.
up and do our pending work and we will drink tea to get stamina.
You need stamina.
Yes. All Indians need tea to get a perfect day start and get stamina for doing some works. So let's go and sleep.
Sleeping.
So guys, I have waked up now and my tea is ready. Money, wake up. Your tea is there. Come on. Wait a second. Done. Second done. Guys, after drinking tea, we are out for the playing cricket, and Mankirat is doing cycling to burn his fat. And firstly, we will call our friend. He told me to bring my GoPro for he has to shoot a song for Insta reel. So I told okay, so done. He is doing hair dryer. Then I will call him and do the song. Done. He is there. Let's start. So guys, I have reached my friend's home and he will sing the song.
Yes, of course.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello guys, I am Sanchi and I am from New Janata Nagar, Ludhiana.
Ludhiana. New Janata Nagar, Ludhiana.
Intro English ही देनी है,
Yes.
है ना? And he is my good friend as well as good neighbor.
Yes.
And now I will sing a song for you.
Yes.
And
For his Insta reel also.
Yes.
Yes. So let's start. He is finding song, which song he has to sing.
he will to sing.
He don't correct me. It's first time, bro. I have a sister that has done IELTS and
Oh, wow, nice.
she scored 8.5 bands.
I also achieve a 7.5 points.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
That's why you are here in Ludhiana.
Yes. आ जाओ आ सजना तक दिया राह सजना आ जाओ आ सजना तक दिया राह सजना हो तक तक थकिया ने अखियां नी मानिया आ जाओ आ सजना तक दिया राह सजना.
So guys, now we are going to take prasad of Alamgir Sahib. So let's go. So चलो हम चलते हैं प्रसाद लैन. So let's go to take prasad of Alamgir Sahib. ਗਾਇਸ ਹੁਣ ਘਰੇ ਆ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦ ਲੈ ਕੇ. ਵੈਸੇ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ? ਮਾਡਲ ਟਾਊਨ ਤੋਂ. ਅੱਛਾ, ਮਾਡਲ ਟਾਊਨ ਤੋਂ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ, ਕੋਰਨਰ ਸ਼ੋਪ. ਤੇ ਆਹ ਦੇਖੋ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਾਪਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹਰਮਨ ਵੀਰੇ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦ ਲੈਣ ਭੇਜਤਾ ਤੇ ਆਪ ਇੱਧਰ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਖੇਲ ਰਹੇ. ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਖੇਲਣ. ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦ ਰੱਖ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ. ਚਲੋ ਗਾਇਸ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦ ਰੱਖ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ. ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਰੁਮਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੰਨਿਆ. ਆਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਹੱਥ 'ਚ ਰੁਮਾਲ. ਚਲੋ. So it's dinner time guys. So today there is potato curry. Yes,
Potato vegetable, bro.
potato curry. Potato vegetable is that dry one, just like jeera aloo. So you have started eating without me?
Yes, because I was
Very hungry.
hungry. Yes.
Oh, why I am telling him. So today winner challenge is both.
I won the challenge.
I also won this challenge. So it's tie in the match. Today we end the vlog now. So if you liked the vlog, please like, share, comment and subscribe.
So today we are ending the this so today we are ending this vlog. If you like the vlog, please subscribe, share and bell icon button.
Like also.
Thank you. Love you all.
Okay.
मेरी
you
बात
wanna-
समझ रही है?
Do you want to say anything?
अच्छे अच्छे.
No.
He is busy eating in खाना. पापा ने दिखाना.
Bye
पापा ने
bye.
तो सोनी इंग्लिश बोलती.
मैं बढ़िया बोली है.
Educated.